Hi everyone, this is Angelie and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as I promised, I'll be doing a vlog for my Ready Set Glow eyeliners. So here are my eyeliner from Ready Set Glow. So I'll be swatching it. For the first one, this is lit shade. This shade is yellow. I'll be using this for my office makeup. Here's the shade of this eyeliner. See, it's yellow. And here's my sample video while using my yellow shade eyeliner in my office makeup. Another shade is the OMG. The shade of OMG is blue. Okay. So let's open this first. And here's the sample swatch of this blue eyeliner. And I'll show you my sample makeup using this blue eyeliner. Shade, it's extra. So this shade is purple. And here's our sample swatch. And now I'll be showing you my sample makeup using this purple eyeliner. The last shade is Slay, and the shade of Slay is green. The sample swatch. And here's my sample video of my office makeup. Is eye shimmer. This is liquid eyeshadow. This shade is Goddess. Actually, the shade is gold. And here's the sample swatch of this shade. Okay, this is gold. So I'll try this on my eyes. Actually, this smells good. Yung eyeshadow nila, mabango. Nice, and the smell is really good. That's why parang naka-perfume ka pag ina-apply mo to. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!